Hey beauties, in today's video I'm using flaxseed gel on my hair. I'm going to give you the benefits of using flaxseed gel on your hair and also how you can make it yourself. Flax, also known as common flax or linseed, come from the flax plant itself. These seeds are filled with good nutrients which are very healthy for the body. The three main nutrients in flaxseed that are great for our hair are omega-3 fatty acids, B vitamin, and vitamin E. These three nutrients can help with hair growth or improve the overall look of the hair if you have dry or frizzy hair. Flaxseed gel is also great at adding moisture back to the hair to reduce breakage and split ends. So now moving to the fun part, making the gel. What you will need for making this gel is flaxseed, of course. So I'm using the Badia brand and it was the perfect amount I needed to make my gel. If you want the exact same one, you can find it linked in my bio. I start by pouring my flaxseed in the pot and add 2.5 cups of water. I then bring the mixture to a boil on medium heat for about 7 to 10 minutes. You also want to make sure to stir as much as often so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. And you want the texture of your gel to not be too thick and not too runny. Turn off your stove and let it cool for about 45 minutes to an hour. And during this time, it will get thick. So as you can see, the gel got very thick while cooling off. The next step is to take a knee-high stocking and then pour the gel into the stocking and then squeezing it out. So squeezing the gel out was a very messy process. The stocking ended up having a small hole while some of the seeds came out of the hole, but I was so over it and I left some of the seeds in the gel, so it didn't bother me at all, but it was very messy. That was my only problem. The last step is to pour the gel into a glass bottle or a glass jar and then you can store it in the refrigerator. This can last up to 3 weeks in the refrigerator with the help of an essential oil. So now it's time to apply the gel to my hair. I will be making a lot of faces, so don't mind that, but I really love how this gel defined my curls. This is the first gel that made my curls pop like that. Even the Eco Styler couldn't define my curls like this, and I really love how it did this to my hair, and it didn't leave a white casting whatsoever on my hair. So you guys, what had happened was I left the gel in my hair for more than 24 hours. I really love how The gel made my curls form, and I got a lot of compliments on my curls, and I ended up leaving it exactly 3 days. And this is my hair after 3 days, very dry, and now I'm in the shower washing it out. Okay, pray for me. So as you can see, even after leaving the gel for 3 days on my hair, there is no white cast and no flakes. And I also saw that when washing the gel out, that there wasn't something heavy coming out of my hair like gel. I'm washing the gel out of my hair. That's because the gel worked as a moisturizing agent and my hair absorbed all of it. So this is how my hair ended up looking after I washed the gel out of my hair. My hair felt very springy, very moisturized, and after that I did my routine on how I stretch my hair. So yeah. So you guys, we've come to the end of this video. This was my first time trying flaxseed gel on my hair, and I ended up loving the results. I really love how my hair turned out. If you ever use flaxseed on your hair, make sure to comment it down below, Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like this video, and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new upload. Bye you guys, love you.